Want to speak real Arabic from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ArabicPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Pirhan and this is Arabic Top Words. Today we're going to learn 10 ways to remember words. Let's get started. التكرار repetition. التكرار repetition. التكرار بيساعدني أفتكر كلمات جديدة. Repetition helps me remember new words. In Arabic we say التكرار بيعلم الشطار, which means repetition is a good student's way of learning. الفرجة على مسلسلات مترجمة. Watching TV series with subtitles. الفرجة على مسلسلات مترجمة. Watching TV series with subtitles. الفرجة على مسلسلات مترجمة بيثبت الكلمات في مخي. Watching TV series with subtitles helps keeping the words on my mind. التدريب بالكتابة. To practice by writing. التدريب بالكتابة, which means to practice by writing. For example, بحب أتدرب على الكلمات الجديدة بالكتابة. I like to practice new words by writing. القراية بصوت عالي. Reading out loud. القراية بصوت عالي. Reading out loud. قراية الكلمات بصوت عالي بيساعدني أفتكرها. Reading the words out loud helps me remember them. تأليف قصص. Making up stories. تأليف القصص. This one is my favorite method. It means to make up stories. For example, you can say تأليف القصص باستخدام كلمات جديدة بيساعدني أفتكرها. Making up stories with the new words helps me remember them. عمل رسومات توضيحية. Drawing reminding illustrations. عمل رسومات توضيحية. Making reminding illustrations. بعمل رسومات توضيحية تفكرني. I draw reminding illustrations to remind me. الربط ما بين الكلمات. Creating associations between words. الربط ما بين الكلمات. Creating associations between words. بحاول أربط بين الكلمات عشان أفتكرها. I try to create associations between words in order to remember them. الحفظ عن طريق السمع. To memorize by listening. الحفظ عن طريق السمع. To memorize by listening. بحاول أسمع كلمات عربي كتير عشان أفتكر الكلمات. I try to listen to Arabic words a lot to memorize words. سماع أغاني كلماتها مكتوبة. Listening to songs with lyrics. سماع أغاني كلماتها مكتوبة. Listening to songs with lyrics. This is one of my favorite. It's probably number one favorite method of learning a language, and then number two is making up stories. بحب أسمع أغاني وأنا ببص على كلماتها مكتوبة. I like listening to music while reading the lyrics. استخدام الكلمات الجديدة في جمل. Using words in sentences. استخدام كلمات جديدة في جمل. Using new words in sentences. For example, you can say بحاول أستخدم الكلمات الجديدة في جمل. I try to use new words in sentences. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Why don't you tell us below about your favorite method of learning a language? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website ArabicPod101.com. Bye bye!
I'm angry because my brother didn't do his homework. Next word. متوتر. Means nervous. أنا ماشي متوترة وأنا قدام الكاميرا. I am not nervous even if I'm in front of the camera. Next word. متحمس. Excited. كنت متحمسة بزاف فاش مشيت نتفرج في الماتش. I was so excited when I went to watch the game. Let's go into the movies. الذهاب إلى السينما. In Fusha we say نمشيو السينما or الخروج للسينما. First word is a cinema, theater, or just movie theater. In Darija we have the same word. We say cinema. أنا ما كمشيش السينما بزاف. I don't go so much to the movies. Next word. ممثل. The female word is ممثلة. It means actor, and in Darija we say ممثل, ممثلة. The same word. Brad Pitt is a good actor. Brad Pitt ممثل مزيان. Next word. مخرج. Movie maker. هي كانت كتمنى تكون مخرجة. She used to wish to be a movie maker. Next word. كوميديا. Comedy. Zoolander كوميديا زوينة. Zoolander is a good comedy. Next word. Oh. فيلم رعب. Scary movie. In Darija we would say فيلم كيخلع. Saw. فيلم كيخلع بزاف. Saw is a very scary movie. I don't know why people watch that. Direction words. كلمات الاتجاهات. Or in Moroccan Arabic we would say Same word اتجاهات, but people use a specific word is نهات, is to give directions. It's a good word to know. First word is يمين, means right. In دارجة, sorry, we say اليمين. سير طول ودور على اليمين غتلقى البنك. Go straight, turn right, and you'll find a bank. Next word يسار means left. In دارجة we say ليسار. They're close. يسار ليسار. A good sentence would be the convenience store is on your left. الحانوت جا على اليسار. Next word على طول. It means straight ahead, and in Darija we just say طول, but there is also another very common word. We say nishan. Like if someone is giving you directions, would say سير nishan, go straight. Next word دار. دار means to turn. كان غادي طول دار على اليمين هو يدور على اليسار. He was going straight and he turned right and then left. عبر. عبر means to cross. In Darija we say قطع. قطع literally means to cut, but we use it to cross the street. قبل ما تقطع الشنطي شوف على اليمين شوف على اليسار عاد سير. Before crossing the street, look at your right, then at your left, and then cross, and then go. Moroccan jobs. الوظائف المغربية. In Darija we would say الخدامي المغربية. خدامي is a plural of خدمة. خدمة means one job. So let's get started. First word is ممرضة. ممرضة means nurse. And in Fusha we use the same word, but some people prefer to use the French word. You know how Morocco is influenced by the French, right? You'd hear people say infirmière, but most people would use also ممرضة, the word from Fusha. A good sentence with this would be أخته كانت ممرضة. His sister was a nurse. Next word شرطي, police officer. The Darija word is بوليسي. بوليسي is policier from French. We don't have a P in Arabic, so we say بوليسي. It's close to the French word. في الشارع كانوا واقفين جوج بوليس. On the street there was 2 police officers. Next word موظفة or موظف. موظفة male, موظفة female. It means office worker. We have the same word in Darija, we say موظف. والديه كانوا بجوج موظفين. Both his parents were office workers. Next word is مهندس or مهندس female word مهندسة. And it means engineer, and the Fusha or the Darija word is the same word مهندس مهندسة. A good sentence with this would be هي كتقرا دابا وغادي تولي مهندسة. She's studying now and she's gonna be an engineer. Next word فلاح. فلاح or فلاحة means farmer, and there's the same word for Darija. الوالد ديالو كان فلاح كبير, كان كيصدر فواكه لبزاف الدول. His father was a big farmer and he exported fruits to many countries. Moroccan or famous Moroccan foods. وكان مغربية مشهورة. First word, of course, tagine. Who comes to Morocco and doesn't get that? Tagine, we say the same word in Fusha and Darija, and foreign people use also the same word. Tagine المفضل عندي هو tagine اللحم بالبرقوق. My favorite tagine is beef and prunes with some almonds too. Next word, بسطيلة. This word means pastilla. It's a good thing. في المغرب عندنا البسطيلة بالدجاج والبسطيلة بالحوت. In Morocco we have chicken pastilla, which is sweet, and fish pastilla, which is also great. Next word, couscous. Of course you know this word, couscous. في المغرب كناكلو كسكسو كل جمعة. In Morocco we eat couscous every Friday, not every day. Next word, طنجية. طنجية. I'm not translating because they are the same words in Fusha, in Darija, and in English. طنجية هي أكلة مراكشية بامتياز. طنجية is a Marrakshi dish. Next word is harira. Harira means soup, but like Moroccan soup is called harira. In Ramadan we have harira every day. في رمضان كنشربوا الحريرة كل نهار. Negative adjectives. النعوت السلبية. In Darija we would say نعوت الخيبة, maybe. Let's get started. First word is حزين or حزينة. It means sad. In Darija we would say مقلق, like مقلق not happy. مقلق and for female مقلقة. هو كان مقلق بزاف حيت ماماه وباباه مسافرين. He was really sad because his parents are traveling. Next word. صعب or صعبة. It means difficult, and in Darija we have a very close word to the Fusha word. We say صعيب. So صعب صعيب. We say صعيب for female صعيبة. البارح كان الامتحان صعيب بزاف. Yesterday the exam was really hard. Next word. قبيح قبيحة means ugly. In Darija we say خيب or خيبة. حتى واحد ما خيب. No one is ugly. Next word. متسخ or for female متسخة. It means dirty. And in Darija we say مسخ مسخة. They're also very close. So متسخ مسخ. حوايجي مسخين خاصني نبدلهم. My clothes are dirty. I need to change. Next word. شرير for female شريرة. It means mean. In Darija we say خيب or خيبة for female. So like mean and ugly are related, of course. In Darija. خوها ماشي ظريف خايب هو خايب بزاف. Her brother is not nice. He's very mean. Nice. Giving a compliment. We have one word for that in Arabic. المجاملة. First word is حلو or حلوة for female. Means sweet. A Darija word would be غزال or غزالة. It's used to describe like person physically or just the way they behave or just the way they are. Like هذيك البنت غزالة بزاف. That girl is so sweet. It could mean that she's beautiful physically or she's beautiful as a person. Depending on the context means different things. Next word. أنيق or أنيقة means elegant, and we have the same word in Darija. ماماها أنيقة بزاف. كيعجبني كيفاش كتلبس. Her mother is so elegant. I like how she dresses. Next word. لطيف or لطيفة means nice, and in Darija we say ظريف or ظريفة. هذيك الأستاذة عزيزة عليا بزاف. هي ظريفة. I like that teacher so much. She's so nice. Next word. جميل or جميلة for female means beautiful. In Fusha or in Darija we use the word zwin or zwina, and zwina or zwina is not only used to describe like people physically, like beautiful. It's used in so many different ways. هذيك الممثلة زوينة بزاف. That actor is so beautiful. Next word. ذكي or ذكية means intelligent. In Darija we say ذكي or ذكية. The difference is the and the da. Most words that have the in Fusha we just take off the da and say da just because it's easier. So in Fusha instead of ذكي we would say ذكي. هذيك البنت ذكية بزاف. غيكونوا عندها مستقبل زوين. That girl is so smart, is so intelligent or so smart. She's gonna have a great future. It's being sick. Oh, I'm just gonna call that in Arabic al-marad, being sick. It's bad. It's never fun. مريض or مريضة for the female word. Sick. We have the same word in Darija. كانت مريضة بزاف ما قدرتش تمشي للمدرسة. She was really sick. She couldn't go to school. Next word. سعال. A cough. In Darija we say كحبة. ولدها الوليد الصغير كانت عنده الكحبة. كان خاصنا نديوه للسبيطار. The baby had a cough and we had to take him to the hospital. Next word. تقيأ means to vomit, and in Fusha or in Darija we say رد. هي كلات بزاف حتى ردات. She ate a lot so she vomited. Next word. عطس or عطس in Fusha. To sneeze, and in Darija we say the same word but we say it this way عطس. Instead of عطس we say عطس. المسلمين فاش كيعطسوا كيقولوا الحمد لله. When the Muslims sneeze, they say Alhamdulillah, means thank God. Next word. دواء, medicine. In Fusha we say دواء. عفاك شوف واش خدات دواها. Please make sure she took her medicine. It's Moroccan cities, المدن المغربية. First city, الدار البيضاء. Casablanca. In Darija we would say الدار البيضاء. The Fusha word and the Darija word are always close for the names of the cities. Casablanca مدينة زوينة ولكن فيها الرطوبة. Casablanca is a beautiful city but it's humid. The word dar bayda means dar means house and bayda means white. So white it literally means white house. Next city, Rabat. Rabat. In Darija we say Rabat. Rabat هي عاصمة المغرب. Rabat is the capital of Morocco. Next city. Marrakesh. Marrakesh. In Darija we say Marrakesh. بالنسبة لي مراكش هي أجمل مدينة في المغرب. For me, Marrakesh is the most beautiful city in Morocco. Next city, Fas. Fas, and we call it the same thing in Darija. Fas مدينة قديمة بزاف وغنية ثقافيا. Fas is an old city, is a very old city, and it's rich culturally. Next city, Chefchaouen. Chefchaouen. Some people in Darija, especially people from the north of Morocco, call it Chaouen as a short form of Chefchaouen. الناس كيقولوا لشفشاون المدينة الزرقاء. People call Chefchaouen the blue city. It's a beautiful place. Yeah, everyone should go there. That was it for the Moroccan cities. I'll see you next week, and thank you for joining.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.